Assalamu alaikum, hi there. Please subscribe to my channel before we start. Today we are going to solve Cambridge GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 course 0580 variant 12 October-November 2020 from question number 11 onwards. So in question number 11 we have been given two cuboid A and cuboid B. Cuboid A has the same volume as cuboid B. Calculate the height of cuboid B. An easy 3-mark question if you know the volume formula of a cuboid. To find the volume of a cuboid, we are finding of A, we multiply length times width times height. So 12 times 8 times 5. Volume of cuboid A is 480 and volume of cuboid B is also 480. So 480 is equal to length times width times height. We don't have the height, so we have to find the height. So 480, 16 multiplied by 10 is 180 h. To find the height, we have to shift 160 to the other side. 160 h means 160 multiplied by h. So when we shift it to the other side, it's divide, and divide we write in the denominator. This will give us 3. So height is 3 centimeter. Question number 12. Fernando recalls the favorite sport of each of 20 people. It's written here. Complete the frequency table to show this information. You may use the tally column to help you. Tally is not important, frequency is important, but we will write the tally also. So we start with cricket. How many crickets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4. For every fifth one, we put a cross diagonal. So that is 5. Now football is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the tally will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now for rugby, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And tennis is 1 and 2. We completed part A, now part B. Fernando wants to draw a pie chart to show this information. Work out the sector angle for football. To find the sector angle in a pie chart, now for football we want, so how many frequency do we have of football? 7. Total frequency is 20. So 7 over 20, and we multiply by 360. 360 because that is the center angle of a circle. So 7 over 20 multiplied by 360 will give us 126. So that is the sector angle for football. Question number 13, increase 42 by 16%. So find 16%. 16% means 16 divided by 100 of 42. We are going to get 6.72. Then add it to 42. So you will get 48.72 as your answer. Question number 14. These are the first 4 terms of a sequence: 17, 10, 3, negative 4. Find the next term. If you notice, you will see that there's a difference of negative 7. 17 minus 7 is 10. 10 minus 3 is negative 3. So same way, negative 4 minus 7 will give us negative 11. That is our next term. Write down the term to term rule for continuing this sequence. What did we do? We subtract 7. So that is the term to term rule. Part B. These are the first four terms of a different sequence. Write an expression for the nth term. So we know that -2 plus 4 will give us 2. If you don't know, remember to find the difference, we take the second term and from that subtract the first term. So we have 2 minus, what is our first term? -2. That gave us 4. So that's how we know that the difference is 4. I will show you two ways. One is by using the formula, which is a plus n minus 1d. This is used for arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is when we get the next term by adding or subtracting a number. Our a is our first term, which is -2. And our difference we found is 4. Expand the bracket. 4 multiplied by n is 4n. -1 multiplied by 4 is -4. So you will get 4n. -2 minus 4 is -6. That is our answer. The other way to do it directly would be, we write our difference. Our difference is 4. We write it with n, 4n. And then from our first term, we subtract the difference. Always we subtract. So -2 minus 4 will give us -6. This is a short way of doing. Question number 15. We have been given a triangle. The area of triangle APC is 27 square centimeter and AP is 6 centimeter. Find the value of h. H is the height. Area of triangle can be found by using the formula half times base times height. Area is given to us, it is 27. The base is given to us, which is 6. Now we need to find the height. So half times 6, put in the calculator, you will get 3. This is a multiply, so when you shift to the other side, it will be a divide. 27 divided by 3 will give us 9. That is our height. Question number 16a. Write down the coordinates of point A. This is A. So the first we write the x value. Look down, it's -2. And then the y. We go to the y-axis, which is 5. Part 2. On the grid, plot the point 2 and -3. 2 is our x and y is -3. So 2 and -3. This is the point. Next, we have the line L is shown on the grid. Find the equation of the line L in the form y is equal to mx plus c. C is our y-intercept, the y value where it cuts the y-axis. So we have that. It is 2. And choose any one point. Any point that you want to choose. I'm choosing 2 and 3. It should be on the line. So my x is 2, y is 3, and my c is 2. I will replace this in the equation y is equal to mx plus c to find my m. So 3 is equal to m multiplied by 2 plus 2. This will give me 3 is equal to 2m plus 2. Shift the 2 to the other side, it will become -2. So that will be 3 minus 2, 1 is equal to 2m. 1 divided by 2 is half. So we found our m. There are many ways to solve this question. Whichever way you find easy, you're welcome to do that. So y is equal to half mx plus c. So m is half x and c we already know is plus 2. Now part B. Write down the equation of the line parallel to y is equal to 5x plus c, 6, that passes through 0 and -7. When two lines are parallel, their gradient is same. So what is the gradient of y is equal to 5x plus 6? 5 is the gradient, right? We write mx plus c. So therefore, we now need to find our c. Our x is 0 and y is -7. So -7, we use the equation y is equal to mx plus c. M is 5 and x is 0 plus c. I wrote here -7, but that's y. So -7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 0 is 0, c. So y is equal to 5x minus 7. Question number 17 is, without using a calculator, work out 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. This is a 3-mark question. This is one question that usually always comes. So 5 over 6 is a proper fraction. So we leave that. Leave the divide also. 1 over 3, we have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. We multiply 3 by 1 and add 1. So we'll get 3 multiplied by 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. You can use your calculator directly to change that. Press the shift button and press the fraction button. So you will get 3 boxes. Put 1, 1 and 3 here. That will give you 4 over 3. Do not write in any other way. Do not press the fraction button and write 1 over 3 and then put the number in the front. This is wrong way of doing. Then we got a divide. Change the divide to multiply, and 4 over 3, write the reciprocal of it. Again, don't put the whole thing in the calculator, only the numerator. 5 multiplied by 3, 15, and 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Now put this in the calculator. You will get 5 over 8 as the answer. This is an proper fraction, so we don't need to do anything further. This is our answer. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. For question number 18 onwards, please watch part 3. Thank you for watching.